In this video, I'm going to show you how to design professional logo using Canva AI. So I'm going to go to my Canva account, and from the home page, I can see Canva AI from here. And I'm going to come over to design. I can see logo in here. Okay, so logo design. I can just press in my prompt, design a professional logo, educational logo for a modern learning institution, incorporate an open book, transform it into a rising light bulb, okay, symbolizing knowledge and innovation. Use clean geometric shapes, minimalist design, balanced composition, and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and say okay to this, and let's see what this is going to create for me. And the best part of creating logo with Canva is that it is editable. You can as well take in whatever it's created, you can edit it within Canva and change the element or change the coloration or change any section of the design that you are interested in. And this is the design that it has given us. You can see the others down here. If you select and this is what you want, you can always go ahead, you can download it like this, or you can edit it in Canva like you want to add other things as well. Now once you're here, you can add anything. For example, I can add some text, right? So if this is what I want, I can go ahead, come to share, select PNG, and I can go ahead and download this. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.